Need to fix LinkedIn app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari. In the address bar, simply search for LinkedIn outage. Move into the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of LinkedIn app is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down. In that case, simply wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, you might be good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is move into App Store. In the address bar, simply search for LinkedIn app. Move ahead to this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then tap on update and update the app to the latest version. Now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of your device. Head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application, LinkedIn, and then move into it. Tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.